Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.17, cost workup column M, item numbers and processes. Materials item numbers and labor processes listed in column M describe the material or labor process in full words. Full words are used to minimize confusion about what the item is. The material item numbers are used in formulae. Only change item numbers to items listed in column D in the table of materials on the table's definitions abbreviations sheet. The table of materials is table 19. The labor process names are used in formulae. Labor processes do not require changing. Do not change them. The table of labor processes is table 26 on the table's definitions abbreviations sheet. Materials are included in the appropriate labor processes within the formulae on the respective process section of the cost workup sheet. If a labor process is not identified in the listed processes, substitute another process. If a process should be added, suggestions are welcome. This example 2.2.17 is completed. Continue the example by clicking item 2.2.18.